Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video we're going to tackle another challenging SAT exam question. Let's get started. 4a squared plus 20ab plus 25b squared. Which of the following is a factor of the polynomial above? As you can see, we are going to factorize this expression. So before diving into solving this question, I'd like to give you a brief introduction to the square of a binomial. First of all, what is binomial? This is a binomial, a plus b. This is an expression, and because there are two terms in this expression, this is called a binomial. Okay, so if you put a plus b inside the parentheses and raise to the power of 2, this is gonna be called the square of a binomial. And the answer of this is a squared plus 2y is the product of a and b plus b squared. And this is called the perfect square. So you can see that this is the square of first term, this is the square of second term, and this is 2y is the product of a and b. Okay, by knowing this information, we are going to solve this question. 4a squared plus 20ab plus 25b squared. As you can see, the first term is the square like this. This is a squared, this is a perfect square. So if you find the square root of 4a squared, the first term is 2a. And this one, this is b squared. So you can find the square root of 25b squared, which gives you 5b. And the next step is to check if 20ab is the 2y's the product of a and b. So 2y's the product of first and second term. 2 times 2, 4 times 5 is 20. AB, which is 20ab, completely correct. So the first term is 2a, the second term is 5b, raised to the power 2. This is the square of a binomial. And the power 2 means that we have two parentheses. 2a plus b times 2a plus 5b. So these are two factors of this binomial. And you can see that this is choice B. See you in next video. Bye bye.